Okay, we have a Kitamura horizontal machining center, model HX1000i, serial number 48009. This machine was new in 2010, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a full 4th axis pallet. It has coolant through spindle, 150 tools, tool changer. It's BT50 tooling. We have a lot of tools that go with it. Pallet size is 1,000 millimeter or 39.37 by 39.37. You have a 6,600 pound weight capacity on the pallet. Right now we're running the spindle. The spindle goes up to 8,000 RPM. It is a gearbox system. It's a 4-speed gearbox, actually. What's the RPM? 2,500. 2,500, okay. 4,000. 4,000 RPM, nice and quiet. It's 40 horsepower.
5,500.
5,500 RPM. Doing a gear change, okay. 500 RPM. 1,000. So the machine has a FANUC 16 IMB control. Again, it's high pressure coolant through the spindle. We have a COOLJET high pressure system with that. Chip conveyor. He's running the X axis right now. In the X, you have 80.31 inches of travel. Your Y, you have 51.97. And your Z, you have 53.94. The pallet is a full 4th. And you can do a pallet change or a tool change. We're going to do a tool change first, or simulate a tool change. Okay, you've seen it all. Thanks so much for watching our video.